Hey, happy Sunday to everybody, or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday, whatever it is when you're watching this. In today's video, I'm going to change out the prop. If you saw my last video, this is how I broke my prop.
Right?
Yeah, that was not fun at all. Got a bruised elbow out of it, a bruised ego, and $160 later, buying my third prop, the Mercury Optimax. Alright, I already got my prop. I ordered it actually the Monday or Tuesday after it happened. This one comes with the flow torque hub system already. The tools you're going to need: some lithium grease, needle nose pliers, 1 1/4 wrench. Actually, guess I should be saying the prop I'm changing out is for a 115 Optimax Pro direct injection, built by Mercury. And the final tool, a box cutter. I almost forgot the most important part outside of the prop. You need a block of wood, and I'll explain this when we get there. I love that. Keep fingers clear of propeller blades. Alright guys, here's the part number I'm going to be swapping out. Okay, like I said, it includes the flow torque set. It's for the Mercury 115. My engine is a 2012. Alright guys, here's what the block of wood is used for. Hopefully this will work out the way I plan. I don't have a 2x4, I'm just using my chucks from my trailer. Just put it up against it to get it loosened. Alright, there's the old part. There's an old washer. Whole thing will just come right on out. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean off the old grease, or wipe off the old grease. Alright, I forgot to show you. Okay, when you pull off this whole assembly, set it down here. You're going to have another assembly. I don't know what these parts are. You're going to remove that. You're not going to need this. You're not going to need any more of these parts. They come in the new one. Okay. Swipe that up real quick. Slide this part back down. Okay, get your grease. Here's how I grease items. I just go like this. It's probably way too much grease there, but maybe don't do it the way I do it. I got more of a mess. That's what I did last time, man, and it was perfect. By the way, this lithium grease I have, it is waterproof. Alright guys, your second part. This comes, here's your hub kit. It comes inside the assembly here. Not sure if you could see it. Alright guys, what I like to do on this part, may be right, it may be wrong. I lay that in there like so. You line this up, give it a little bit of love, so it should all be pressed in there. Now the remainder of your hub, there's little grooves where these all slide into, and it's always a bear to line them up. Well, for me, because I'm no mechanic. What's going on with my audio, man? Let's see if we push this down. All right. All right, there we go. Now these little bins, see the holes here, or the notches? Those go right in there so it doesn't move. Just put your new nut on. Alright guys, I got it pretty much hand tight. In the directions there's no torque footage to actually tighten it down, so I just do it by hand, man. I'm good with that, and there we go. Alright guys, by all means, as you can see, I'm no expert. I did struggle a little bit, and I didn't explain too well about this part. This is the old one, okay? That plastic sleeve, okay, it just pushes in up in there. Then your hub, this one's already worked in. You just got to give it love, okay, to put it in there. The other one, as you saw, was getting a little stuck, so I just pulled it off real quick, and I gave it a lot of pressure through my hand. This here, see how the washer locks on there? Then this nut just goes on your shaft. Real simple process, real easy, man. Hope this helps somebody in the future. And to recap, there's a prop for the 2012 Mercury Optimax 115 Pro. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Y'all be safe out there. Later.